Hey guys, so I recently did a Sheglam order and I picked this up, so I thought we would do a little unboxing. This is the Hello Kitty and Sheglam collection. The first thing that comes with this is really cute little bag. So you can like actually reuse this as like a little bag, which I just think is like, they're not so cute. Like, I love that. I just love the little attention to detail. So yeah, this is the Hello Kitty Sheglam full collection set. So, box, so cute. Let's open her and have a look. So, when we open her up, this is how she looks inside. So cute. So, we'll start from the top. The first thing we have are two of the Dear Darling shadow stacks. So, this is how they look. We have Sugar Cookie and Sweetheart. So, we'll start with Sugar Cookie. So, it looks like each has 3 eyeshadows. So, yeah. So, that they are. And we've got this colour, and it's cute because like the colours on the side like line up with what's actually inside them. Ooh, and then we've got a shimmery one down the bottom. So that was Sugar Cookie. Then we have Sweetheart. Got like a brown. And then I feel like those are really cute. I really like them. I feel like it's like what do you call it, like a, you know, it's something a little bit different other than a palette. You still obviously get your eyeshadows, but they're in a little shadow stack, so I think that's so cute. The next thing we have in here is this little hair clip, which I just feel like is super cute. Love that. I just love all the attention to detail. Like, I just feel like they really do such a great job. The next thing we have is this super cute little caterpillar. Got Hello Kitty's face on it, like, oh, I can't, it's so cute. Then we have our primer. So this is the Jelly Amore Hydrating Primer, and I love it because we have like all the little hearts and little bows and stuff inside it. Like, is that just not one of the cutest primers you've ever seen? I actually love this packaging so much. I feel like it is so beautiful and I'm so excited to try that out. The next thing we have is the Be My Baby Hydrating Lipstick in Just a Crush. And once again, like, I just can't with this packaging. I feel like it's unmatched. Like, just all the attention to detail, the little bows. And then this is the actual lipstick. Doesn't smell, but how cute is that? Look at the little love heart in the middle. Like, I'm just obsessed. I really cannot wait to try that out. And I feel like I say it every time, but don't worry because there's going to be a full collection review. So that's our first layer. Then we open it up to the second layer. I just can't. I feel like they just do such a cute job. So it looks like we've got more of the hydrating lipsticks. So these are actually stunning. So the next one we have is Love Letter. And this one's like more red. And that's how this one looks. And like, don't worry, I'll do swatches and everything when we do like the actual collection review. And then the last one is called Spin Kitten. And I think this one might be my favourite because it's like shimmery. Like, what the hell? How stunning is that? I'm actually just obsessed with these. I feel like this is such a cute idea. I really don't know if they're focusing or not, but... And I forgot to show you the packaging of this one, but like, it's just brown. So I just feel like those are so cute. Like, and they all look so cute together. Like, I just really love that. Then we've got another little puff. This is like a small one. And this one just says Hello Kitty on it. Super cute. And then I don't know what this thing is. 3D Kiss Lip Balm. Is there actually something in it? I'm so confused. Oh my god, there is. Okay, cute. So, this is actually like a lip balm. I didn't know if there was product in it, but there is. So, it's like a lip balm on a keychain. So cute. And then you like just push it out to use it. And then you open it up. Oh my god. Yum, that smells nice. Oh, I can't tell what that is. Like strawberry or something maybe? I don't know, but that's really nice. And there's a little heart in the middle of it. How cute is that? I just feel like, oh, they just do such a good job of their collections. Like, they're just so cute. So, yeah, she sits in here. Oops, I put her in the wrong way. But either way, she sits in there. I just think that's so cute. And then you can hang it on your bag or your purse or wherever you want. Like, is that not such a cute little idea? I actually really love that. Oh, that's so cute. All right, then the last thing we have in here, what are they? True Love Dewy Multi-Use Balm. What? How do you use these? So I'm guessing these could be blushes or cheek, like lip things. Okay, so I've got 4 of them, and that's little Hello Kitty, and she's like in like a pool thing. What do you call these? Like a floaty. Okay, so the first one we have is Purty. Okay, so they're actually covered up, so you can't like open them in the actual like review. But this one's like a pinky kind of shade. Super cute. The little colour of her floaty like matches the colour that's inside. The next one we have is Paw Print, which is like a pinky. Then we have Whiskers, which is like a white one. So I'm interested to see how that looks. I wonder if this is more of like a highlighter. And then the last one we have is Cuddlebug, which is red. How cute are these? I'm actually obsessed. So that is everything that comes in the Hello Kitty and Sheglam collection. I really, really want to try this out. So let me know down below if you'd like to see a review. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!